Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your Steam wallet on your Steam Deck. So if we're just on home screen, go to the icon in the top right. Now you can press it or just use the thumbstick and go to it. I'll just press it. I'll bring us to our profile page where we can see add funds right here. So I have $5.50 from selling something. So let's go to this, tap it, and we can choose the funds under here. Otherwise, you can redeem a Steam gift card or a wallet code. So let's just go to $5, add funds. Now you're going to have to type in your credit card. These are all the available cards: Discover, American Express, MasterCard, etc. Type in the card number, the billing address, the name, and then go to continue. And you'll be able to add that amount to your wallet balance now. And you can see it when you go back, because it'll say $5 right here. So it says $5.50. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.